Assalamualaikum friends, today we are going to talk about Huawei P Smart Z. But before the start of the video, I request you please subscribe to this channel, check out my other channel and my website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Guys, Huawei will launch its first P Smart Z. This information has been leaked by a Dutch-based mobile coupon publication initially. And now a well-known tipster even does share more information about the upcoming P Smart Z. The handset is very important for the company due to some new advancement that the manufacturers have brought for the first time in their smartphone. The notchless display screen of the Huawei's P Smart Z, the pop-up sensor and the two-tone of the back panel. The specifications of the upcoming handset is amazing and looks high-end. The Huawei P Smart's coming with the measurement of 163.5 by 77.3 by 8.9 mm that weighs 197 grams. The measurements and the weight of the handset shows that the upcoming P Smart Z by Huawei will be a big handset. The smartphone will come equipped with 6.59 inches LTPS IPS LCD display that will present you full HD plus display, and the resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixels. Huawei Smart Z is powered by one of the most modern and latest chipset called Kirin 710 that is paired with 4 GB of RAM, which is responsible for quick execution of different tasks. Huawei P's smartphone Z hosts 64 GB of internal storage. That seems to be a bit on the lower side, but this problem has been solved very well by introducing micro SSD card slot to the P Smart Z that enable the handset to expand the memory at a great deal. Let's talk about the back panel of the handset and the important thing that you can find in the P Smart Z. On the back side, the dual camera setup with the 16 megapixel main lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor along with an LED flashlight. The handset also offers a rear muted fingerprint scanner. The capacity of the battery on the P Smart Z is 4000 mAh. The handset seems to be a good rival for Samsung because this time it will come with a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie shooter.